Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Bhutan, where tradition meets nature. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Bhutan is a small landlocked country located in the Himalayas, known for its stunning natural beauty, unique culture, and commitment to sustainable development. Bhutan is situated in the eastern Himalayas, bordered by India to the south, east, and west, and China, Tibet, to the north. Bhutan has a rich and complex history with a strong emphasis on Buddhism and the country's unique cultural heritage. Bhutan's climate varies from tropical in the south to alpine in the north, with significant rainfall during the monsoon seasons. Bhutan has one international airport, Paro Airport, which is known for its challenging landing conditions and stunning views of the Himalayas. Bhutan has a population of around 800,000 people with a mix of ethnic groups including the Yengalop and Sachok. The majority of Bhutan's population is Buddhist and Vajrayana Buddhism, playing a significant role in the country's culture and daily life. The official language of Bhutan is Dijanga, but English is widely spoken, particularly in education and government. Bhutan's arts and culture are deeply rooted in its Buddhist heritage, with a strong emphasis on traditional music, dance, and crafts. Bhutan's education system is well developed, with a strong